Let's cover the lateral lunge. So this is how you do a lateral lunge. We're going to do one side and then the other side. You start with your feet just in the middle, and you're going to step out and push your booty back like that. So you get a long stretch on this inner thigh. The lunge comes from this leg because that knee is kind of going right over the toe, but not in front of the toe. And you're pushing your bottom back like that. Let's do the other side. I might need to move this weight a little bit. Okay, let's do this other side like that. So you don't want to roll that foot in. Keep that foot grounded on the floor. You also don't want to do that with your knee. Keep the knee in line with your toe. So again, this is incorrect. This is correct. Knee in line with the toe. Another common mistake is putting the knee in front of the toe like this. Don't want to do that. Again, this is incorrect. Not good. Not good on those knees. Push that bottom back, hinge of the hips so that the knee stays behind the toes. To make this easier, simply reduce the range of motion. You're just not going to go down as far on the lunges. You can also add some arm support. So if you're going to do like one side at a time, for example, like that. Switch sides. Before I go on how to make it harder, I just wanted to show you a normal lateral lunge from the side view. How far down I typically go. I'll show you both sides. So this is correct. This is incorrect. Incorrect right here. Not good on the knee. Let's look at the other side. This is correct. This is incorrect. So to make it harder, you can use, I usually don't use a bar for this one, but I will use a band or dumbbells. Let's start with the band. A short band works better for these than the long kind. So I'm just going to step out one foot and then the other foot. Show you side view. Okay. Dumbbells. There's a couple of hand holds that you can use. If you have two dumbbells. I think the shoulder hold is always a nice one. Like that. You can also hold them right down in the middle. But just be sure that when you're doing that, you're not bending at your back. Your shoulder blades aren't rounding forward. The goblet style is also a good one here. I like the goblet probably the most because it seems to keep that weight centered to my body so that my legs are doing more of the lifting than my back or my arms. Okay, that's the lateral lunge for you.